This is our trip to Devil's Elbow. How do I stop it? Click it again. Dunkin' Donuts. Hey y'all, we just got to Devil's Elbow and I can already hear Kristen. He's up in the woods over there, over yonder. This is my first time. Everyone just ran away so quickly and I was just still at the car. Anyways, this is my first time here. I wore the Pumas. Had to do it to him. I had to do it to him. But it looks like we're just traversing up this hill over yonder over here. Ooh. I can hear strangers and I'm quite frightened right now. Oh, and there's the group over there.
Oh yeah, I brought the GoPro.
There's all the group of people.
Preston, jump it with me.
No.
Do it.
Not happening.
Your legs are strong enough to get you far out.
Dude, this is upside down. Ding dong.
I know this one is.
Preston, you want to come watch?
Evan, go on the other side of this tree.
What?
And then go like this so I can't see you, and then swoop around the corner and walk straight at me. Oh shit, never mind. You wanna do it still? Fuck. Damn, that sucks.
What's the Navy gonna say when you show up to? They're already kind of dirty. Hi, my name is Evan Hardy, and this is Jack.
I gotta get a running start.
Oh, you're not gonna jump like this?
No, I gotta get a running start.
What do you mean?
He's gonna get all the way back there.
Can I extend this?
Just don't slip.
No.
Hey, jump off.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Maddie, they're gonna go down, and then I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Can I watch from down there?
Don't hit me.
You can go down too.
I'm scared to jump.
Can't touch this.
Jump.
Hey, you don't have to jump.
Should I say count me down?
Yeah. Hey, give him a countdown. 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My turn. Splash! Oh, you probably thought I jumped in, you fucking idiot.
Oh shit.
So no one told me we were gonna do this thing today. So I didn't bring
I can't believe they didn't.
bathing suit and towel. So I'm just in my clothing. And I'm scared I'll let this go. So I'm sorry if the footage is terrible because... Kristen, anything to say?
Yeah. She's gonna go first.
All right, go on.
Do not let go of that GoPro.
Evan, I swear, dude, I'm not gonna let go, man. Dude, don't tell him, man. Keep it a secret. He doesn't know. Oh, damn. All right. I'm gonna hold the actual No, I'm not. Fuck. All right, let's just do it. Beast mode. Beast mode. Just went beast mode. Oh, no glasses too. I'm a beast. Oh. Beans. Send it. I can play a song that goes do that while you're trying to get this stick. Do a little compilation, it'll be funny. Oh damn, you just got it first try. Oh. When you go up there, hold it to the top. Damn it. Oh, this is Creston? I mean, yeah, it's Creston. Not groovy, man, not groovy. Creston, do it! Oh my gosh!
Way farther out. You could have gotten way farther out.
I couldn't hold on.
Oh, little baby arms. Back together.
I slipped right off.
I'm going
that's why.
Mosquito, sorry.
Good. Alright, fine now. Cool.
Alright.
Cool. Evan, go! Oh. 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 I didn't get that at all. I didn't get that at all.
What ball did that to you?
May have been a potato. No,
Might have
it
been
was a ping pong ball from Austin.
My name's
There's so much intensity was it. No way a ping pong! No way a ping pong ball did that to you!
There's no way. There's no way. Look at that bruise. Where is it? Am I holding it?
Wait, get Evan, get Evan.
Get Evan.
Get Evan!
Oh, my command, my command.
My better.
I'm going after her.
Alright, cool beans. I'm never walking at that again. That was absolutely terrible. Frick Devil's elbow.